Now, what about this problem? You are given the sum and the product of the roots, and then you are asked to write the equation. Now, I want us to remember that if you have the roots of a quadratic equation, the equation can be written as x squared minus, let's do minus the sum of the roots, and then we'll have plus that is the product of the roots. The product equals 0. We forgot we should have x here. Alright, so let's try. The sum is 4, the product is negative 7. So again, the equation will be like this. So we have x squared minus, the sum is 4, so we have 4x plus, the product is negative 7, so plus negative 7 equal 0. So our equation is just x squared minus 4x minus 7 equals 0. So again, that is how we write the equation given the sum and the product of the roots of a quadratic equation. Now let's have the second example. So the sum is negative 4, the product is 15. So again, the quadratic equation is just x squared minus the sum plus the product. Sum x equals 0. So we will write x squared minus, the sum is negative 4, so we have negative 4x plus, the product is 15, so we'll do 15 equal 0. So again, our equation is just x squared plus 4x plus 15 is equal to 0. So next example. So again, the sum is negative 3 over 5, and then the product is negative 1/2. So we will write x squared minus 3 over 5 x plus negative 1 over 2 equals 0. Simplify, this is just there's a negative, right? So that will become plus 3 over 5x and then minus 1/2 equals 0. Now if you're going to simplify this to get rid of the fraction, we can actually multiply everything by 10. So we'll do that. So this is just 10x squared plus 2 will become 6x minus 5 equals 0. So this will be our equation now. So next we are given the actual roots and then we are asked to find the equation. So again, to do this, let's try to have first our root 1 plus root 2 and then root 1 times root 2. So this is just 3 plus negative 5. This is just negative 2. And then the product is just negative 15. So again, same thing earlier, our equation will be x squared minus the sum, which is negative 2. So we'll do negative 2x plus negative 15 equals 0. Simplify, this is x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals 0. What about this one? Again, our root 1 plus root 2. This is, what is 1/3 plus negative 2, that's minus 2/5. So again, the common the least common denominator will be 15. So 15, this will become 5 minus 6. So this is just equal to negative 1 over 15. Alright? And then the product will be R1 plus R times R2. This is just equal to negative 2 over 15. So let's try to write our equation now. So this is now x squared minus plus 1 over 15 x, and then minus 2 over 15 equals 0. Simplify, multiply everything by 15. This will give us 15x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0.